Hi everyone, and welcome to Jack and Cat Adventures. Today we're going to be making Cool Whip cookies. If you need a quick and easy dessert to take somewhere, this is it. So in a bowl you're going to crack 1 egg. You're going to add 1 package of any flavor cake mix you want. I'm using chocolate today.
Is there any other flavor?
I'm not a chocolate fan.
I am.
I'm making these for Jack and my kid.
He can't have any.
Okay, then you're going to need 1 8-ounce of Cool Whip. I was checking the size for you. Just add it in.
Checking the size and didn't have her eyeballs on either.
Okay. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees and put parchment paper on your cookie sheets. Alright, so I'm going to put this on to mix. So it's combined. In another bowl you're going to put 1 cup of powdered sugar. Alright, once this is combined really well, clean off your beater. I am going to put this in the refrigerator for about 30 minutes because mine is really sticky. It's going to depend on your egg and how much water's in your Cool Whip and all that. So if it's not sticky, go ahead and start making your cookies and I'll show you how to do that. But I'm going to put this in the refrigerator just to harden up a little bit so I can work with it. Alright, now mine's set. It's still a little sticky, but it's fine. Just gonna take my cookie scoop, drop the cookie into the powdered sugar, coat it in powdered sugar, and place on your tray. Alright, so you want to put them on your cookie tray about 3 inches apart. You're going to put them in a 350 degree oven for 12 to 15 minutes or until the edges are firm. Alright, so here's our finished cookies. They baked 14 minutes in my oven. Don't worry about them once they come out of the refrigerator. If you do put them in, don't worry if they're sticky. Just drop them in from your spoon into the powdered sugar. Once the powdered sugar's on them, you can mold them a little bit and they're not sticky. So please like, share, comment, and subscribe. And remember, you do you.